Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit over at RaikenProfit.com. And I wanted to ask for your help. I recorded a video the other day sharing how I was essentially rebranding RaikenProfit.com. And since you guys have been following me for so long, at least some of you guys I know have been following me over 2,500 videos over the last 9 years, I wanted to share this rebranding process with you all because your guys' opinion, your feedback is just as important, if not more important than what I think. And I really want your guys' input in terms of what you feel in terms of logo best represents my brand. So I'm actually going to be sharing with you what I got back from my consultant or graphic designer, whatever you want to say. I guess, this guy's name is Oli. I pronounced his name as Ali on the last video. He's like, man, you're pronouncing my name wrong. But anyways, we're working together, and this is going to be a couple different stages. Stage number one, or phase number one, is going to be choosing a logo. And then we're going to choose like color schemes, typography, iconography. Then we create like brand guidelines so everything is cohesive amongst all my social media platforms, so on and so forth. And I'm definitely nerding out over this process. And I just want to share with you guys what we have so far. If you're following me on Instagram or on Facebook, or you could even check the YouTube community tab, you can actually put in a vote, or you can vote down below which option you like best. So these are the three options right here. And I'm actually going to share the entire file with you guys right now. So this is the person that I hired right here off of Upwork to create this brand identity. So this is option number one right here. And I'll share the process and the thought process behind it. So this is the first option, option number one, at least in this video right here. And this is pretty cool. The R stands for Raiken, and then there's like a up arrow that stands for profit, growth, and self-development, which honestly, like those three words are like what, I guess I would feel those words really represent my brand. That's, what I like to do with my videos. So I really like this one. This one's super cool right here. And he gives like different options of what it'll look like on different social media posts and graphics. I like that. That's pretty cool. Different colors, and then what it would look like on a t-shirt, which is pretty neat. Now, again, I would ignore the color schemes and all that because this is just kind of a sample all across the board. But that's option number one. Now, here's option number two. It looks like an R with a little squiggly line. What does that mean? So the R stands for Raiken. Then the P shown in the negative space of the R. Oh, I see right there. That's interesting. Stands for profit. And then that little squiggly line stands for steady journey of growth. Very interesting. That one is pretty cool as well. I like that. Definitely different. Stands out. Very nice. Again, guys, I'm just sharing with you everything that I got back. Very cool. And that's what it would look like on, oops, I zoomed in a little too much, on a t-shirt. Nice. Yeah, I like that little squiggly line. That's interesting. And then here's proposal number three, option number three. So keep that in mind. Option one, option two, option three, because I want you guys to vote. So this is interesting. So I think that's like a little R and a P. What does that stand for? So I'm literally going through this with you guys and sharing my thoughts. So P is for profit, R, Raiken, lowercase to imply starting small, and grew to uppercase P. I don't know if I've grown to an uppercase P yet, but I'm trying to. And then we got a slanted leaf to imply organic growth. Oh, that's really neat. So I'll show that to you again. And then this is what it looks like, just with different color schemes and whatnot. Again, don't read too much into this color scheme. Oh, that's nice. Wow, I really like that one too. That's different. Very nice. Okay, and that's what it would look like on a t-shirt. Awesome. So those are the options right now. Again, if you guys are following me on Facebook or Instagram, these option numbers are a little bit different. So ignore the options on my social media here because I put these in a different order than on YouTube. So let me know which one you guys like best. So on the YouTube comments, this is option number one right here. okay? With the R, with the little up arrow, that'll be option number 1. That's what that looks like. Then option number 2, really quick, is this R with the little steady journey of growth symbol right there. Okay, so that's option number 2. Boom, boom. And then option number 3, if I don't move too quick, is the P with the little R. That's unique with the organic leaf. So I'd be curious what your guys' opinion is on this. So let me know your opinion. Appreciate you guys. Much love, and I'll see you in the next video.